guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen. How y'all doing today? We're going to be making some hush puppies. Some good old southern hush puppies. Lowcountry hush puppies. I live in what's called the Lowcountry part of South Carolina. Alright, your ingredients are going to be some cornmeal. Now this is cornmeal mix. Normally you would use cornmeal and flour, but this already has the flour in it, so I'm using cornmeal mix. I got some buttermilk, some onion chopped fine, salt and pepper, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and paprika. And you also need an egg, which I don't have. So, be right back and we'll start mixing this up. Alright, we're ready to start making the hush puppies. Now, I'm going to start off with about a cup and, well, almost 2 cups. Should be enough of cornmeal mix. And I went and got my eggs. I'm going to go ahead and beat this up. I'm not going to put it in yet. Alright, I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, some onion powder. I don't have onion powder. I'm going to go ahead and add all of that. The measurements are really up to you. Some garlic powder. I just add the onion powder a little bit because I love the flavor of the onion and the paprika. I'm going to stir this around. And start adding the buttermilk. Remember, shake your buttermilk good so it's good and all the solids and everything gets mixed together. I'm going to add the egg, some onions. I did a bunch of onions up because I was going to make tartar sauce, but I did not have any relish. I didn't even have chow chow. So, tartar sauce is going to have to be for another day. We got more. Tonight we're having fried flounder, red grits, and hush puppies. Now, I'm going to leave a link because I'm taping all 3 of those. Probably should have used a bigger bowl, but we'll work it out. Now, like I said, all the measurements as far as how much onion you put in and how much of the seasonings and stuff is all according to you. And I'm going to use, seems like, the rest of this. But that's okay. If it runs out, I can add a little bit of half and half. Make sure it's all combined. I got some flour down at the bottom. I'm trying to incorporate all in it. And you want it a little thick, because I'm going to, a lot of people drop it off a spoon. I'm going to actually use a scoop. So, let's go over to the pot and we'll be ready. Okay, we're ready to do the hush puppies now. I've got my oil. I'm using, I think, canola oil. And I've preheated it to 370. I've heated it up to 375 degrees. Because I'll be cooking the hush puppies and the fish in this. So, we're using the scooper. I'm just going to scoop some out. Kind of got to be quick about it because you got to turn them over. Because they get bottom heavy, and well, that one turned over by itself. That was special. God, I can't wait. I really wish that I could have made the tartar sauce, but I didn't have the relish or chow chow, so that bummed me out a little bit. Alright, that's enough for now. Sorry. And as always, I probably made too much. But that's quite alright, because we can snack on these later on. Even though it is almost 8 o'clock. We live in town now, instead of out in the country. And we love it. We truly love it. We're close to everything. More places to live here in town. Alright, and what I've got over here is a plate with paper towels on it to drain. I don't know if I said before, we're having fish and grits tonight with hush puppies. Alright. Boy, it's hot. I used to use my copper chef to fry in, but I decided to use my Dutch oven because I think the heat more evenly. Alright, now whenever I eat my hush puppies, I love to eat them with ketchup. Or even my tartar sauce. Alright, I'm going to finish frying these and we'll be back with the final result. Guys, I got all my hush puppies done. But before I put everything on the plate, I just want to show y'all the inside of them. They are so good. I've already been nipping on one. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Alright guys, everything's done. Now, this is one complete meal but 3 different videos. But I'll link everything to each other. And let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is the red grits. Yummy. Then I'm going to add a couple pieces of fish. And then some of these hush puppies. Alright guys, I am so excited to eat this. I'm so excited to be back with y'all. Don't forget, like, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, share it, so and help me out. And I hope to see y'all very soon. Supper's ready. Bye y'all.